I'm starting to realize I wasn't made to do infomercials because that's probably how they would have done it on an infomercial. Hey guys, welcome back to Type Wash Tech. I'm Simon Knapp, and today you join us in one of our newest sites, which as you can see, is a tunnel. More on that later. One big issue that we have with all of our car washes that are friction based is that the wraps get dirty real quick. So today we're going to see if this magical potion can take us from this to something better. So this is the Arcadian Wrap Renew product. We have a sample from our chemical rep, Robin, who has said try it because it might be awesome, and we're going to find out. I've never used it before. I've literally got the pressure washer out. I put 50-50, 1-to-1 mixture of this into a little low pressure sprayer, like a weed sprayer. Before we get started, go take a look at shopcarwash.com, the sponsor of this site, which is my site. And it's basically a way to connect car wash service providers with car wash owners, because we operate now in 5 states, 7 sites, and it's really hard to find local people. So what I wanted to do is create a site that allows you to dig into your local area, find the service that you need, and keep your business going. If you're a service provider, if you're a technician, if you do pits, if you're a chemical rep, go register on there so people can find you. It's completely free. There's no charges. All right, so as I mentioned, 1-to-1 solution of this. Let's try it on a small test area, I guess. This looks pretty dirty. Ooh. I don't know how much you're supposed to apply, but I guess we'll find out. I guess it's going to be easy to do in one direction because they all fall naturally in one direction. All right, so now according to the instructions, we just have to pressure wash this. Right now, it doesn't look like it's loosened up at all, but we'll find out. All right, initial impressions. It's not the magical solution I thought it was going to be. It hasn't cleaned it up perfectly, but perhaps we should have a more realistic test. Let's focus on this guy. This guy is pretty rough looking. Let's focus on that. Let's put it on. Let's put a reasonable amount on, because I don't know how much you're supposed to apply. All right, let's say about a minute. Okay, it definitely looks better. I think we can see that it's brighter, it looks cleaner, but I probably should have done a control. Let's look at this rocker, which is just as dirty and gross, and see how it cleans up with just the pressure washer. I'm not trying to sell a chemical here. This is not me saying this is the thing you need to buy. I am just using it because I have a free sample. Figured you might like to know. So all we can do is spray this now that we have our control. Let's spray this. Nice and liberal with it. We'll even spray the one that we've already cleaned and see if we can clean it up a little bit more. And they do say that for more stubborn grime, you can go more concentrated. You could do 1-to-1, but that's going to make it quite expensive. I realize this is probably the least engaging video I will ever make, but here's what it is. Go back to the one we had already sprayed, see if it cleans up any better. Okay, there might be a little wood for the trees issue here where I didn't see the benefits, but if you look, these are the old ones that haven't been cleaned yet. I've just sprayed those. Those are the ones that are clean. Those are the ones that are not. That is quite a big difference. Perspective. I think I was expecting magic like that, but yeah, it's much better. Just needed to dry off a little bit, and now you can see the difference. I'm starting to realize I wasn't made to do infomercials because that's probably how they would have done it on an infomercial. Yeah, I'm much more impressed the more I used it. I did thicken up the mixture ever so slightly, so it's probably 1 part water to 1.5 parts of chemical. Another thing I'd say is that these have been abandoned for over a year. This wash hasn't run in over a year, and it wasn't really getting the maintenance love it should have been before it closed. So if this is part of your regular maintenance, if you put this on your checklists so that it's done once a week, once every 2 weeks, it's not going to be a big deal. This is going to be the big clean, which is going to take a while. Okay, I want to see how effective doing it neat was. So this is a neat spray. It's been on there for 2-3 minutes. All right, just to finish up, here is the pressure wash with no Wrap Renew. Here it's just, it got wet, but dirty, dirty, dirty. I mean, you can see the difference. It's kind of crazy. So that has been Arcadian's Wrap Renew. Go to arcadiansoap, I think it is, .com, and have a look if you're interested. I have no idea how much it is because that was a free sample from our chemical distributor. But yeah, it's great. I will see you at the show, May 10th. I'll be there. It's my hometown. I'll be there. Let me know if you're going to be there. Leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.